Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for food and beverage businesses. Whether you are managing payments for a restaurant, cafe or bar, InfinitePay.io helps streamline your payment processes. So let's dive in. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the food and beverage section. This is where you can manage and process your transactions related to your food and beverage business. To set up payment processing, integrate InfinitePay.io with your POS system or online ordering platform. Follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by the InfinitePay.io. Now, configure your payment options by linking your food and beverage business to InfinitePay.io. Set up payment methods such as credit debit cards and configure your transaction settings to suit your business needs. Now you need to create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for customer orders, reservations and other transactions through your InfinitePay.io account. You need to track and manage payments through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment statuses, view transaction history, and handle any issues that arise. Ensure that your payment system is compliant with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your customers. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for food and beverage businesses. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your restaurant, cafe, or bar. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.